Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve movies and TV app with the error code 0xc00db3b2 in Windows 11 computer. So recently encountered a frustrating issue with attempting to play videos through the built-in movies and TV applications. That can happen due to many reasons. The problem presents itself as the error code 0xc00db3b2, which appears abruptly and present the video from playing. It often emerges after a system update and appears to affect wide variety of video formats, including advanced types like 360-degree videos. The root causes of this error can be traced back to codec-related problems, specifically around the HEVC extensions, software glitches, and file corruptions. Then I'll show you the most reliable solutions to fix this error. So all you have to do is to install the HEVC video extensions. If not yet installed on your Windows, then you need to do it. On how to install this HEVC video extensions. So all you have to do is to open up on Microsoft Store on here at Start menu and then click. And then you need to select this Microsoft Store and then click. And then once you open up this Microsoft Store in here at searching address bar, and then we need to search this HEVC video extensions. And then you need to search for that. Okay, so select this HEVC video extensions and then we need to install the official extensions. So after installing and completing the downloading of this HEVC video extensions, and the next step, then you need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so click this restart. And then if the error still persists, and the next solutions we were going to do is to repair or reset the apps. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run and pop up this run. So here in box, and then we need to type this command keyword ms-settings and then semicolon and then apps feature. Okay, so just type this command keyword ms-settings semicolon apps features. That's all one word and then click OK. And then once you open up these settings installed apps, so you can also search this app. So just click the search app or you can search by here and down. So we need to scroll down, find and locate these movies and TVs. So once you already find and locate this movies and TV app, so all you have to do is to click this three dot on the right side. So click and then select this advanced option. And then here at advanced option settings, and then we need to scroll down again and then locate this reset. Alright, so if this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair it. And then you need to click or tap this repair and wait to complete the repair process. And then repair complete and then next. So if this app is still isn't working right, and then the time you need to reset. So tap this reset and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, and then click this reset and wait to complete the reset process. Okay, so after completing this reset procedure, and then we need to close and then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Then after restarting your PC, and then you need to open this movies and TV app and then check if this already okay. Alright, so that's it guys. So thanks for watching and hopefully this video was helpful to fix your PC problem. If it was, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.